If you are looking for amazing spots to visit in southern Switzerland, remember this name, Ascona. A hidden gem by Lake Maggiore, the largest lake in the region. Known for its cobblestone streets, stunning views and a vibe that mixes Mediterranean charm with Swiss history and Italian tradition. In this video, I'm taking you on a tour with my parents through this charming city, starting in the old town and ending with a breathtaking lakeside view. If you want to see Ascona's beauty and find out why it is so special, stick with me until the end for a special tip to maximize your experience in the region. Our tour begins in Ascona's historic heart. Here's a tip. If you are driving, park at this place called Autosilo Comunale. These are the prices, pretty reasonable for Switzerland. From there is just a 5-minute walk to the lake shore. It's harder to reach the lakeside by car, and also parking spots are tough to find there. Ascona was built over the ruins of an ancient Roman settlement and grew over the centuries as a cultural and commercial hub. Today, its narrow alleys still have their medieval layout, with colorful houses, cafes and artisan shops. Walking here is like flipping through an outdoor history book. Let me know in the comments, have you been to this place before? What did you like most about it? Even though we are in Switzerland, everything here has an Italian soul. The language, the food, the pace of life. We are in Ticino, the only Swiss canton where Italian is the official language. This unique mix of Swiss efficiency and Italian dolce vita creates a welcoming, vibrant yet peaceful atmosphere. It's a place where coffee is served with a smile and conversations go on for hours in sunny squares. Doing this tour with my parents, who came from Brazil to visit me for the first time, was truly special. By the way, drop a comment down below and tell me where are you watching this video from? Let's see which regions in the world are most interested in Switzerland. As we explored every corner, every shop and every detail of the town, I saw in my parents' eyes the same amazement I felt when I first came here. It was an unforgettable experience and proves that places like Ascona touch anyone's heart, no matter their age or language. Lake Maggiore truly steals the show. With crystal clear waters extending into Italy, it is an invitation to just take it all in. On its shore, beautiful trees share the view with snow-capped mountains in the background, creating one of the most surreal landscapes in the area. The lakeside promenade with cafes and anchored boats is perfect for relaxing, people watching, and soaking in the calm energy of this unique place. Ascona is more than just a tourist destination. It's a complete experience, visual, emotional, and cultural. If you're planning a trip to southern Switzerland, don't hesitate. Ascona definitely deserves a spot on your itinerary. And here is the tip I promised. Ascona is actually quite close to another spectacular place. The Verzasca Valley. Known for its emerald green river and breathtaking landscapes. The perfect combo for an unforgettable weekend in Ticino. If you haven't seen our previous videos about the Verzasca Valley, check it out. I will leave the links in the description below and the cards for you. So that's it. If this video inspired you, leave a like, comment below with your questions or experiences and share it with someone you would take here. Thanks for watching until the end, and as always, we wish you a safe trip and we see you in the next video.